Hey, what's going on, everyone? We might be in trouble in MicroStrategy. Do you guys think this stock is overpriced? It might be, and I'm going to break it down to you from the charts perspective without giving you no confusion. So welcome to you. If you are new to my channel, this is what I do. I give you all the news according to the charts. Yeah, I pay attention to the greed of everyone else in the market or the fear that they are showing in the stock price. That's all we need to know. Is if we see a imbalance of people being more greedy, then we might anticipate prices to go down or prices to continue to go up. If we have an imbalance of people being fearful or nervous, the chart will give us that information. All of these price bars and volume bars that you guys see in front of you is exactly that. It's everyone's perception of them either being greedy or fearful. So now, the price prediction that we currently have in MicroStrategy is one of higher prices, right? We had a couple of days to where MicroStrategy was in our profit area, but soon after the market went down. So automatically, that one situation should tell us we may not need to be as bullish as we once were. Now, if I didn't tell you, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe, because the way I break down this information, you're not going to get this anywhere else. I want us to try to attach an emotional human feeling to the technical aspect of charting. So just by that alone, we should now be thinking, maybe those buyers aren't as motivated as what they were when we originally did a price prediction. Okay, so we remember that. We got that. Second thing is pay attention and look at where the highs of the market is coming in at for MicroStrategy. We're making lower highs in the stock. Again, another indication that the motivation or the emotional aspect of all of the market participants is fearful. They're being nervous. They're scared. Somebody's not believing that price in MicroStrategy at $400 is the value. Because if they did, understandably, price would have maintained that area and we would have seen price lift. But we're not getting that. Okay, so that's point 2. Point 3 is this. Look at the trend that we identified that the market was bullish and that buyers were buying, right? So as I continue to pull this arrow forward to the right, we broke trend here, we broke it again there, and we're definitely broken trend right now. Why is the market breaking trend? Maybe the buyers ran out of money. I don't know. Maybe the buyers think price is too expensive. They're not willing to buy up there. I don't know. Maybe the buyers know something that we don't know, i.e. something not good for MicroStrategy as a business that they're trying to get in front of. I don't know. The reasons, I don't know. But I could care less about the reason. We can see, though, that somebody is not feeling bullish. So we might need to get rid of this price prediction. So let's go ahead and get rid of that first, because I'm not feeling too bullish in MicroStrategy. So if we were to get on the close of Friday, we'll be down 13.8%. Now, we will also get rid of this trend line because we can now see price is not bullish. Maybe the market in MicroStrategy is bearish. Maybe. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now, the only thing that could save the buyers would be this massive pocket of buying that we created, which is right here. Okay. Right there. That is the area we need to see the market prop up price. That is the area that we need to see the buyers come through and confirm to us, hey, we're still here. We're not letting you all down. We still want to buy MicroStrategy in this pocket. Boom. You want us to see price come here and then lift from there. That will give you more information that this market is not that bearish. Okay. So if anything, we're going to target that pocket of buying right there. Now, This area right here, though, if I were to break this down to 330, is also another buy pocket. Okay, so you should be able to see it on the 330. So let me show you all that real quick. Okay, you see that? The market in MicroStrategy on the 8th and the 10th of and the 13th of January was going down. This is where the buyer said, hold up, I'm not letting the price fall no lower than that, right? And you saw how fast that reaction was. Look how quick the market went right back up off of that bottom. This confirms that this is a pocket of buying. So we saw the market run up in MicroStrategy. We came down and boom, another time, another opportunity that these buyers are telling us that they're still here, right? Now, one thing that's changed from the last time the market price came to this pocket is what? What do you see is different? Exactly. We didn't see that massive reaction. Like the market in MicroStrategy back here on the 13th of January ran all the way up 33%, right? Now look at this. We came back to this pocket, but we only saw price go up 15%. Something's not right. Something is not right. Why didn't the market give us that massive reaction that it did the first time? Well, the only cause could be because they're not buying here anymore. Like they did not induce more people to come in and buy like they did the first time. Again, one reason why we're anticipating lower prices in MicroStrategy. Okay. Here it is on the 5. This area right here on the 5-hour chart. See, this is one of this. That's why I like looking at charts and nothing else. It's because it tells us where people are getting hung up at. This area right here is a pocket of selling. Clear as day. Nobody is able to break price in this pocket. Why? Because this is where selling increases. If the demand is not overpowering selling in pockets, then price won't break above it. We can see that clear as day. So again, this is giving us even more confirmation that this stock is not strong. Let's take a look at MicroStrategy on the 3. Okay. Here it is on the 4, 5, weekly chart, 2 weeks, 3, 5. This is the final printed 5-weekly chart. Look at that bar. Okay. So am I telling you that price is not no longer bullish in MicroStrategy? No, I'm not saying that, not yet, but I will have to give the edge to the sellers right now, which is why we're not going to be, overly bearish in MicroStrategy. We're not going to do that, but we're going to target at least one of these 2 pockets right here, if anything. So let me drop this on the chart for MicroStrategy, and we got a pocket there of selling. I'm going to create another one right around here. And we're going to try to target these pockets right here. So the first one logically would be the one that we saw on the 330-minute chart. That would give us 7.18% if the market comes down to the low of this pocket of buying, which is around $303.65. Our next target for this prediction would be at this next pocket of buying, either at the high, which is 10.73, or the low at 13.81%, $281.33. Then our final target would be at this pocket of buying all the way down here since November 8th, 2024. Okay. So again, the sooner that we see price in MicroStrategy pop and hold a pocket, the stronger that the market would expect it to be. So like if we don't hold this first pocket, we break it. We don't hold the second pocket, we break it, then the market definitely is not that bullish. Don't let people sway you or trick you into thinking that that's a buying opportunity. And if it is a buying opportunity, you may just want to run it back up to this downtrend line that we got drawn on our chart. Okay. So that's it. I am done. Go to give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.